Hello, it's Douglas with the Gardener's Notebook, and today's job is taking this Plumeria start we got from my sister. I have another one actually too, and it's actually flowered once already, so he's ready to go in the ground right about here in our northern bed, which has our prickly pear, a couple of roses, the buckwheat, which is springing out into the path right now, but I think it'll be a great place for this right here. So let's get to it. You can see that it's got some really good roots. It did take a while for this to really sprout leaves or anything, but once we saw the leaves starting, we knew that it was going to take, and so I'm going to spread these roots out just a little perhaps, and then get them in the ground. And there it is. So just foot it in here a little bit. Now, as far as I know, Plumeria is a tropical for us here in Southern California. Here in the San Fernando Valley, we actually can get a frost every now and then. Not very often, maybe once every couple of years. But we'll need to watch, and if the weather decides to want a frost, we'll need to toss a sheet over him or something to prevent them from getting killed back by that frost. So one job down for the day, a couple more to go. For more information and more videos, you can always visit a Gardener's Notebook at douglascwelch.com. Look to the Gardener's Notebook logo in the upper left-hand corner.